Here you go, testing Bose Sounddock Series II with an old iPod and an iPhone 5. Unfortunately, my iPod does not charge, so I can't really tell if because my iPod doesn't work on that, or I can't tell. But anyway, if I use the aux cable, as you can hear, it sounded that. So it works with the aux cable. So I think that any device you have that has the headphones plug, you should be able to use that. And I can use it on my iPhone 5, which is alright. Here's the iPhone 5.
£150 in the US, which some may think it is good value for money, which I personally think is compared to what you get with the product.